Hey guys, Chris Logan here from Baron Equipment and Overhead Doors. Today I will be showing you a few simple tricks to make sure your door is working properly and not making any squeaky or obnoxious noises. If you listen closely, you can hear the noise the rollers are making. There's an easy fix for this. This is metal lubricant we use. It's a ZEP45. It is low in odor, excellent rust prevention, and optical lubrication. You can find the rollers along each side of the garage door. You will want to apply the lubricant at the end of each roller and the ball bearings. If necessary, there are 4 other components of the garage where lubrication and grease can be applied. Hinges and pivot points, bearing plates, torsion springs, and you want to apply grease to the rail where the trolley goes. Now for some final tips, be sure to use a rag or cloth to clean out the tracks. Do not lube them. Be sure to open and close the door post-lubrication to work in the grease. If you need more help beyond lubrication, be sure to give Baron Equipment and Overhead Doors a call at 1-800-397-6690. Hope this helps, and most importantly, use your lube responsibly.